In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who saved your TikToks to their favorites. So as you all know that there is a favorite option on every TikTok video. Now when someone adds your TikTok to their favorites, you can easily know because you'll get a notification of it. To see it, you can open up your app of TikTok. Now from the home screen of TikTok, tap on your inbox section. And here it will show you all of the notifications, and you can also see the people that added your videos to their favorites. As you can see, I've got a notification added to video to favorite. You can also get the same notification every time anyone adds your video to their favorites. So that's how easily you can see who saved your TikTok to their favorites. If you guys found this video helpful, then share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want more of these videos, then make sure to let us know on the comment section down below. That's gonna be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.